If you're seeing a forbidden error on itch.io, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you two of the most common fixes that can get you downloading again fast. This is especially useful if a game page loads fine, but the download keeps failing, blocking, or showing a forbidden message. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the biggest mistake people make when downloading from itch.io, trying to resume a download. Itch.io often uses uniquely generated download URLs, and those links can expire quickly. That means if your internet disconnects or your browser pauses the download, the old link may no longer be valid. When that happens, your browser may try to continue from a dead link, which can trigger a forbidden error. So instead of resuming the download, go back to the game's itch.io page and start a fresh download from the beginning. This is the safest way to make sure you're using a new, valid link. If your download failed halfway through, don't click resume and expect it to work every time. Just refresh the game page, click the download button again, and let the new link generate properly. Now, if you're still getting the forbidden error, the next thing to check is your VPN, browser extensions, and ad blockers. These can interfere with itch.io's security systems and sometimes make your connection look suspicious. In many cases, Cloudflare or similar protection systems may block your request because of the VPN server, a filtered IP address, or an extension that changes how your browser connects. To test this, temporarily turn off your VPN if you're using one. Then disable any strict ad blockers, privacy extensions, script blockers, or browser tools that might affect page loading. After that, reload the itch.io page and try the download again. If the error disappears, then one of those tools was causing the issue. If you want to narrow it down further, try opening itch.io in a clean browser window or incognito mode with extensions disabled. That can help you figure out whether the problem is your browser setup rather than the site itself. You can also try a different browser entirely to see if the error still happens. In many cases, one of these two fixes solves the problem immediately. Do not resume old downloads and turn off VPNs or extensions that may be triggering security blocks. Those are the most common reasons people see a forbidden error on itch.io. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting videos. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing more itch.io error fixes step by step.